Hi and welcome back to the Chiglo channel, guys. In today's video, I have great news for anyone that wants to study in the UK, the United Kingdom. Now, this particular school I'm about to tell you have great opportunity for international students. Now, this opportunity is for anyone that wants to study adult nursing. The adult nursing is a 3 year program. Now, let's be very honest with you. The tuition fee for this particular course is £25,000. But the Welsh government bursary has subsidized this tuition fee to the point that the students have to pay just £9,000 yearly for this program. Don't get so excited. It has conditions attached to it, right? Now, before I dive into the conditions, welcome back to the Chiglo channel, guys. So, in this platform, I talk about how you can move to Europe, other places, for studies and for work. So, in today's video, I'm making these videos particularly for those interested in studying. This adult nursing is very affordable, because at the end of the day, you're paying just £9,000 and you can work alongside your study. Aside the £9,000 you're going to pay, you are entitled or eligible for a grant of £3,500. Now, let me tell you, these are the juicy parts, right? Let me give you the non-juicy parts of the conditions that you have to meet before you are eligible for this grant or for the school. First of all, you have to abide by the condition or the terms, which is you work for NHS Wales for a period of 2 years when you complete your studies. Don't get it so twisted. You are going to be paid when you complete your studies. So you work and get paid, but the condition is that you have to work with them for that period of 2 years. After the 2 years, if you don't want to continue your contract with them, if you don't want to work with them, you can quit. So the only condition attached to this school is that you have to work with them for 2 years. It's not wonderful? So guys, I will show you how it looks like in the computer for you to know how the study program looks like, and it's a little bit tricky. So come with me to my computer for you to see how it looks like. So this is how the page looks like for those of us interested in nursing for international students. We are now able to offer overseas students the opportunity to study a bachelor in adult nursing at Cardiff University. You receive a 3-year study subsidized by Wales government bursary, undertake a minimum of 2 years paid employment with NHS Wales, receive a non-payable grant worth of £3,500 to support your living expenses and your studies, and also be eligible to register with the Nursing and Midwifery Council as an adult nurse on completion or successful completion of the program. So guys, I will not read all the information here, but let's go to the important ones. The program is subsidized by Wales government to ensure it remains affordable. As a result, the opportunity to study at Cardiff University is only available to international applicants who commit in advance to paid employment in NHS Wales for a minimum of 24 months following successful completion of the adult nursing program. All right, so you can go through all these information for yourself. This is how the standard tuition fee is, and then the subsidized one, and at the end, your student pays £9,000. All right, so you can go through this, take your time to see the cost of living in Cardiff is most affordable. You can see this, okay? You can also calculate for those of you that are interested in this. All right, so let's go to all academics or entry criteria for the Bachelor of Adult Nursing can be found on the course page. So let's go to this page. So this is how it looks like. So let's go to how to apply for it, right? All students applying to study a full-time undergraduate degree program should apply through UCAS. So let's go to the UCAS, right? All students applying, okay, through UCAS, right? So you can go through this and see how it looks like, application process, how to apply through UCAS. Before you make your online application, you need to register through with UCAS. Okay, you don't need to apply or don't need to complete the application form all at once. You can save your application and return to it later. All right, so the first step is for you to register with UCAS. This is how it looks like for those of you that want to see how the page looks like. So you're going to register with UCAS and then you go back and then continue. All right. The UCAS code for the Cardiff University is C15. The code for your chosen course can be found on the top of our course pages. So you click here. It brings you down to this page. All right. So you can continue from here because the filter is BN. All right, so it brings you down to this page. Guys, take your time to see this, but first of all, you need to register with the UCAS before you come to this part of the page and then continue your application. All right, so if you like this video to this part, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video and please write a comment. Your comment goes a long way to support me and also push my videos for other people to see. So thank you and see my other video. Bye.